In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove apps from your Slack workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to handle both regular apps and custom integrations so your workspace stays tidy and secure. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in your browser, and make sure you're in the workspace where the app is installed. It helps to know your role. Members can often remove apps they installed. Admins can usually remove any app, and workspace owners have the added ability to manage custom integrations. If your organization restricts app management, you may see fewer options. Next, head to your workspace menu. This is the menu with your workspace name at the top left of Slack. Click it, then choose Tools and Settings, and select Manage Apps. This takes you to the central place where all installed apps and integrations are listed, so you don't have to hunt through channels or messages. On the Manage Apps page, scroll or use the search bar to find the app you want to remove. Click the app to open its details page. Here you'll see information about what the app can do and where it's been used. Look for a button or link that says Remove App or Revoke. The exact wording depends on the app. Remove App typically removes the app from your workspace entirely, while Revoke disconnects its access and permissions. Either way, the result is that the app can no longer access or post in your workspace. Click the button, review any confirmation prompt, and confirm. After you confirm, the app should be removed, and you'll return to a page indicating the change. If you're a workspace owner, you can also remove custom integrations from the same management page. Custom integrations include things like legacy incoming webhooks and older slash commands. Open the integration you want to retire and choose the option to remove or disable it. This helps clean up outdated connections while keeping your workspace secure and compliant. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Remove App or Revoke option, you may not have the required permissions, or the app might be mandated by your organization's policies. In that case, contact your admin or workspace owner. Removing an app stops its access moving forward but doesn't delete past messages or files it posted. And if you change your mind later, you can reinstall the app from the same Manage Apps area. Finally, refresh Slack or revisit Manage Apps to confirm the app no longer appears in your installed list.